Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve the problem of apps failing to download from the Play Store. I'll explain two solutions that, God willing, will be the ultimate solution to this problem. Before we get to the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started with God's blessings. The solution, my friend, might be as simple as changing your Play Store Gmail address. Click here on the profile icon, then click on Switch Account and choose another account. You have a different Gmail address to use to log in to the Google Play Store. If you don't have an account, click on Add Account and create a new account and a new Gmail address. Then, log into your Google Play Store and you'll be able to solve this problem. That's the first step. The second solution is very simple. Click on your phone settings, then look for Apps or Apps and Notifications. After that, click on Apps, then click on App Search or search for Google Play among your apps. If you want to save time, just type Google Play here. As you can see, I typed Google, and that's how it appeared for me. Click on it. Then click on Storage and click on it. After clearing the data, press OK. Now, my friend, after completing this process, God willing, we will solve the problem. However, you must restart your phone. Let's assume one of these two solutions works. What will you do next? It's simple. You exit the app, then go to your phone's settings, then to Apps, then to Applications. Tap the three small dots here, then tap Reset App Preferences. As you can see, this action will reset the preferences for disabled apps, notifications, default apps, and the Google Play Store app, which is one of the default apps. It will also reset app usage restrictions, background data restrictions, and permission restrictions. Then tap Reset. After that, restart your phone, and God willing, you will find that the problem has been solved.